everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How's your week going? I hope you are having a fantastic week and you are doing something that you love. Anyways, this is part 2. Finally got the kitchen done. It's all painted, it's all clean, it's all decorated. I love it. Kitchen's the heart of the home. If your kitchen's not cute and done, I mean, you don't want to cook, right? I mean, do we really want to cook? I would rather someone serve me, but hey, I like to cook anyways too. I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. I'm in a really good mood today. I'm in a really good mood, and I'm going to tell you why. So, for over 16, 17, 18, 19 months now, I could not get the injections I needed in my feet. And I finally found a doctor here in Southwest Florida that is going to do the injections in my feet. And I'm going today at 1:30. I'm going to go do that today at 1:30. So I'm very excited. Now you're probably wondering, what's wrong with your feet, Bella? Well, I posted yesterday on my Instagram. I don't really talk about this. It's not something I divulge, I guess, a lot of. But I used to be a professional dancer. And when I was a dancer, I mean, I was much younger, much cuter, much thinner. But hey, it is life, right? I had broken all my toes, had torn all my ligaments. It's a big mess, my foot situation is a big mess. And I used to get cortisone shots every 6 months, so it helps me walk and stuff, and for the pain, and I haven't been able to do that since the pandemic. So now I can, and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna do that today. Okay, anyways, you didn't come here to hear all that. You came here to see the kitchen. All right, you ready? Heart of the home. And I also showed you this part over here, the eating area. So I got like a full kitchen tour for you guys today and a little bit of cleaning and decorating with me. So you ready? Because I've pre-recorded the clips. So let's go. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you a quick look at the kitchen where we had gotten to. So you can see we did all the decor on the top, all the handles are on, everything's painted and really clean and tidy. So now I want to just decorate and clean my countertops off with you guys, and then give you a full tour of the kitchen. But look how great the handles turned out, guys. I'm so happy with them. I'm really happy with how the updating of the house is coming along. Now, I'm not a fan of the backsplash, but we'll get to that another day, and a couple other things that I want to change. But overall, I think it's turned out really nice. Okay guys, I just want to start out here and let me show you what I'm using. I have these glass canisters and they're very old. What I did when I started becoming obsessed with the Mackenzie Child stuff, I painted the lids of these glass canisters, the Mackenzie Child Courtly check, and I even added the little red knob. I thought it was really cute. They actually turned out really good. If you want a better view of them or anything like that, I'll do that for you guys another day. So what I've done here is I got my little wax warmer, and this is a really inexpensive one. It doesn't have a light or anything. It's God knows how old. I just put it on a little pedestal, a little black pedestal, because I thought it would tie in. And then I'm using this orange verbena scent from Walmart. I love it. From the Better Homes and Garden. Absolutely love it. Okay, guys, let me show you this. This Scentivia stuff, oh my God, from Clorox. The one from Target smells so good, and I'm using it. I like to use it to disinfect the countertop and the cooktop and stuff like that. So now I'm just layering my cutting boards. I love this. This is the cutting board for my shop. It's the French Country cutting board. And then here's another cutting board that I had from, I think, TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of the two. But I like layering my cutting boards. Now, if I could find my Delta cutting board, I would have put her up there, but I can't find her. And then this is the Mackenzie Child teapot. I think it looks really good with the wood cutting boards also. And then I'm just going to place these little olive trees on either side. I think they're adorable. They're from Michael's a few years ago, but it's nice that I get to use them now here because I think they look really good. And then over here on the other side, I'm using the plug-in, the same scent from Bath and Body, not from Bath and Body Works, from Better Homes and Garden. And did you know that they fit into your Bath and Body Works plugins? Isn't that amazing? So got that, and I'm just gonna plug it in here because I love an orange kind of fruity, lemony, clean, fresh smell in the kitchen. So I put my wood pedestal down and then my utensil holder, and as you can tell, it's a new one. I would love to get the Mackenzie Child one, guys. Oh, I'd love that. And then I'm just dusting off my oils and stuff. And one of the oils is from TJ Maxx, and the other oil is from Trader Joe's. I love that store, guys. I will do a Trader Joe's haul eventually and show you what I get from Trader Joe's because they got really good stuff. Okay, so here we're in the other corner. I'm gonna clean this corner off really, really good, and we'll start making my coffee bar. Finally. Now, this is nowhere near like my other one, but it'll have to do for now. And don't mind me, I'm in a black tank top and a black leggings like usual when I'm cleaning because I had pre-recorded this, guys. I'm using this little lamp because I wanted to have light in this corner. I find this corner is very, very dark. I'm just adding a little greenery there and making it cute. So the next thing I did is I added my coffee bar sign. I love this sign. It's so cute. It says coffee is my true love. And I used industrial double stick tape. I heard command hook work also, but it didn't work for me. So then I put my Keurig machine. I like the Keurig machine, but I love my Nespresso much more. So I think when I get the shop open, I'm gonna bring the Keurig machine to the shop and use my Nespresso at home. These are the new canisters I hauled for you guys, and I love this candle from Hobby Lobby. So I just added a little mug and the candle and these adorable little faux fruit. Aren't they the faux food? Guys, these are so cute. My God, they're linked down in my Amazon store if you're interested. And then just my cream and sugar. Okay, and then on this side, just to hide the electrical cords, I put my paper towel holder. I like it. It's black wrought iron. It's got a fleur-de-lis. You can see it in the background, but I'm obsessed with these little faux cakes, guys. They're so cute. I'm telling you, even the leaves look realistic. It's hilarious. And then my little butter dish because, you know, I like to keep the butter out on the countertop anyways for everyone to use. Okay, guys, let's take a tour of the kitchen so you could see the entire kitchen in its entirety. I filmed a couple of different angles. So this is my pantry, and I added my little bar cart and my antique chalkboard. And look how clean and tidy it looks. I love it. I think it is perfect. And not too much, not overdone, just enough, quite functional, but also really pretty. Once it really makes me want to cook. And you know what I'm thinking? I would love some Mackenzie Child tea towels to hang there. Wouldn't that look cute? So that's going to be on my wish list too. But I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think? Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below because I really want to know what you guys think. And also if you have any suggestions. And I know a lot of people love that sign. And there's my little chicken. I just think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with it. Okay, here I'm just giving you a different look. just so you can see it more in detail. And of course, I switched stuff around again. I added those water jugs on my countertop now. Oh well. I'm going to be playing with this for a long time, guys, till I get it to look what I want. And this is the view of my eating area. I love it. I love it. I think it turned out so good. So now you see it coming together. You see my vision coming together. I really want a French country, very airy look to the house because it is kind of open concept. And I love these two paintings. I need to get some curtains, but I'm waiting for them to come and take out that ridiculous storm shutter that blocks all the sunlight. And and I love my little hutch. I think it turned out so cute, so cute. And there's my new little sign from Hobby Lobby, guys. I love what it says. It's so cute. Okay, my sweet friends, what do you think? They look so good. It looks so good, right? I love it. I love it. I mean, you know, it's not my dream kitchen. I mentioned that before. It's not my dream kitchen, but I love a white, clean kitchen. I love it. It's all clean. It's crisp. You know, I got my favorite Mackenzie stuff out. I want to go get more Mackenzie stuff. But boy, are they expensive. I want that barn sale. So if anybody knows when the barn sale is going to happen, please tell your girl, because I want the cream and sugar and some canisters, but we'll see. Kind of expensive, but they're so cute. So cute. I love the decor. It's not overly done. It's not a lot. And also I can't find all my stuff because it's still in boxes in that garage. And I don't know, I'm semi giving up. It is so hot in my garage, y'all. Like, it is so hot that I'm like, oh my God, do I really have to go in there right now? So anyways, but I will. And I'm working on painting the rest of the house. And I'm working on painting a giant wall unit that I have. And, you know, finding the decor and getting stuff and all these things, like all these moving parts. So much work moving. So much work. Anyways, I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful. I'm very blessed. And my God, can I just say how blessed and grateful I am about my subbies. Guys, we're almost at 13,000. 13,000. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. You guys have blessed me so much. My new subbies, hello, I'm Bella. You know, just your everyday crazy girl. Anyways, that's me. Guys, for my oldies and goodies, you know who you are. I love you guys. I love you guys. Okay, on Friday, I got a video. I have an idea for a video on Friday. It's going to be like a kind of Q&A. And then we'll do some decorating. Hopefully, if I can get what I want done by Friday, we'll do that. If not, maybe I'll just do like a sit-down Q&A and I don't know, something. We'll do something. Maybe I'll cook something or show you a recipe and answer some Q&As maybe for the summer. because I know y'all like food like me because we're all foodies around here, right? I mean, I didn't get this cute body not eating. I'm joking. I'm joking. I told you I was in a good mood. Anyways, have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week ahead. I hope your week is off to a fantastic start. Happy Wednesday again. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I am so grateful for you all. I'm so blessed to have you all here. And if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would never grow. So thank you again so much. And I'll see you on Friday. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.